Hello traders, welcome to today's analysis, which is the first day of the year 2025. First of all, wish you all a very happy new year. So this year seems to be biggest moment year. Seem like 2024 or better than 2024. We could have more chances and possibilities to gain more probability trade setups. So this year is going to be a big moment year to all the currency pairs as well as the Bitcoin, gold. This year seems to be the biggest moment of the market. So let's see the market one by one. So first go with Euro USD. So Euro USD monthly time frame. Euro USD was trading around the support level. So we are expecting more down movement on Euro USD because it seems to move down only, and it already broke the support. So as I said earlier, once market retests the previous support, which could have chance to become a resistance, so it's good to sell, and it went down. So Euro USD is good good for sell because it breaks the support. However, due to low volatility, we can expect a correction. It is also possible to have see some correction. And then pound USD also falling very well. I try to move on to the next support. So pound USD and Australian USD. This is the only pair which doesn't fall much because it is at a very strong support level, 0.62. However, we can expect a big fall and breakout of this level very soon on Aussie US dollar. New Zealand USD is trying to make some correction. You can expect more fall on New Zealand USD. However, it is near to the major support level, so we can expect more correction over this pair. USD yen is simply consolidating between the high. So gold seems to move up again. So gold, it is just making a consolidation. The first day of the year, it is just making a correction towards the trend. So if you look at the gold, it's trying to move up because gold is in a strong uptrend. And New Zealand USD, gold, silver. So also have chance to move up. We can expect more upward movement on silver also. So silver is just simply trying to move up. However, if you compare both all those pairs like silver, USD, pound, everything, it is all moving in a similar direction. Pound Swiss franc is just simply falling from the resistance. USD Canadian looks like it starts to move up now. USD Canadian dollar. USD yen. High. I think we can expect more correction or else it can move up continuously. Pound out. Pound out looks like it's just made a correction today. pound Canadian is also making a correction. I'm not sure how long the pound CAD and pound out can move because these pairs are all making a correction because of the first day of the year. These pairs are all making a correction, so we should have to be aware of those pairs where it's going to move on next. Euro Canadian hits the support, so the next support is towards the 1.4830. So if we can expect a up and down, then we can expect Euro Canadian to make a correction, or else it could fall towards 1.4840 and then we can make a correction. Euro pound is straightforward, it's shooting up. Actually pound got more weaker, so that was our main reason. Euro pound is moving up. Euro New Zealand just fell to the support. Pound New Zealand. Pound New Zealand looks like just now it start to fall. However, it just reaches the support. I think pound New Zealand we should have to be very careful about it. One side it looks like we break the other side looks like it's the support. So pound out, pound New Zealand. We should have to wait and see whether it is a real correction or just a normal one. The Aussie Canadian. Aussie Canadian hits the. I think it's just simply falling. Aussie New Zealand starts to move up. The Aussie Canadian also remains the same. If you look at this, it should have to move up. So Aussie Canadian dollar, I'm not much sure about that because it is simply trying to make a correction. It might have chance to move up to this high, last month high, but it takes time. Canadian, Bitcoin just consolidating. So as I said earlier, you should have to keep buying Bitcoin around 92 level, 92 to 90k. It's a good buy area. So Bitcoin went up $5,000 up, so $6,000 up nearly. So let's see the next market setups. So the starting day of the year seems to be very a big movement which has happened all over the currency pairs. Euro Swiss franc still looks like it is just simply moving up and down. It is just simply consolidating. Australian Swiss franc starts to Australian Swiss franc. It might have chance to move down once, or else it will go up. If it breaks this lower high, it is trying to break the lower high. However, if it starts to move up, then we can expect a good upward movement on. Canadian Swiss franc, good for buying, I think. Canadian Swiss franc. USD Canadian dollar, just simply moving up. So I believe Canadian Swiss franc might have chance to move up. Continuous. Yes, the Swiss franc will definitely hit the resistance, which is around 0.9180 or 0.9200. So, so it will definitely hit this resistance very soon. Yes, the Swiss franc, Australia Canadian, and then Euro Canadian dollar. Euro Canadian dollar reaches the I think it is also making a correction. Euro Canadian dollar also making a correction. Pound CAD is also making a very stronger correction. USD yen. Pound, oh wow, pound yen it just simply fell after making a correction. It just break the support. Pound yen also look like good to sell. It's just simply falling. Australian yen, JPY. It is just making a correction, up and down movement. So Australian yen should have to fall. So it also have a chance to fall. Australian, Canadian JPY. Canadian JPY might have a chance to fall, but it is just simply consolidating. So we need to be careful on Canadian JPY because it is simply consolidating between the resistance and support. So we need to watch out closely for breakout at the bottom or the top to buy or sell this pair. However, if you look at the time frame, it is just making a correction. So if it try to fall, you can buy, and if it breaks this high, you can buy because it is simply moving in an uptrend. Euro JPY just simply break the Jeff JPY fell down from the lower high. So if you want to sell, the stop loss should be too high. Australian New Zealand dollar looks like it has chances to move up. Canadian JPY resistance, but I don't have any confidence for buy because you can see the continuous bull candle without any kind of bigger correction. We might have chance to see some correction from this support area to towards this 0.64 just to retest this symmetrical triangle, or at least it might have chance to retest this level, the previous support, the open support. So might have chance to retest around 0.6360 or 6350, and then it can fall. So Australian USD it is still in a Australian USD is still in a downtrend. Euro Australian dollar looks like it's just simply falling from the high. Found out. Euro New Zealand. Look like Euro New Zealand is also consolidating. Euro CAD, Euro New Zealand, all those pairs are just simply consolidating. Pound out. Looks like it will fall more. Pound is really weak in all the currency pairs. Pound is very weak. Gold we might or we can expect a correction on gold because gold reaches the high we can expect a downward movement on gold. It is possible to see some uh, big fall on gold. Otherwise, if the gold will fall 500 point and then it will move up another 2000, and again it might have chance to consolidate and touches. Once it reaches the lower high, then we can expect a big fall. So gold is simply moving or consolidating. Let's say that. Bitcoin is also consolidating. Bitcoin will definitely move towards 100k or 99k, and then might have chance to reach 105k. So you should have to be careful about the Bitcoin. This will only just you look like good to sell. Australia Canadian. I think USD Canadian dollar will go up. It will break this resistance level very soon, and we can expect a high, new highs on USD Canadian dollar. Bitcoin is just simply look out the channel. It might have a chance to give some correction from 96 to 94. Then we can expect some zigzags, which is a kind of consolidation. So today we have an opportunity on different pairs, including like New Zealand USG, Australian US dollar for sell. Always go with the trend. Don't trade against the trend because it will be a dangerous one if you trade against the trend. It's very dangerous. Pound Canadian. Pound Canadian. I think Pound Canadian might reach just 50%, and then you can buy. But again, you should have to go with the trend because Pound Canadian just broke the support after a long time. So before that, it was just simply consolidating. So you need to wait and take the trade with the full confirmation. Otherwise, you should not take any trade on pound. Euro pound looks like very good buying position. However, it is just simply consolidating between highs and lows. So Canadian JPY it might have a chance to give some correction. USGN will give some correction soon. USD Swiss franc, I have a very strong confidence on USD Swiss franc. Euro pound, I have much more confidence on Euro pound. So these are the pairs which has a movement